Hello everyone, welcome back to Dr. Dentrix, and today we'll be discussing on image-based questions, and this seems to be a little bit interesting, right? It will be like a game kind of thing, okay? And trust me, it won't be boring. With no late, we'll be jumping into the main stuff, okay? And here is the first picture. It seems to be popular and you are aware of that. Just think, be calm, okay? And here is the answer, Boli's gaze. And we'll be knowing few points on this, okay? So it's mainly used for measuring the teeth and space, like in mostly in orthodontics and pedodontics during model analysis. So and also in pedodontics mainly for measuring band thickness, like when you are selecting for stainless steel crowns. So what's the difference between vernier calipers and this Boli scale? So almost they'll be looking in a similar manner, but the main difference is their accuracy. And then your second picture. So identify this instrument. It will be used mostly in orthodontics. So be calm and think wisely. Okay. And the answer is Weingard's utility plier. And for every instrument there will be a name like author name or the inventor name before the plier name, right? And we'll be knowing few points on this, like for what it is used, right? It's used for placement and removal of archways in fixed mechanotherapy. So in order to engage the archway into molar tube, so this instrument has serrations on working surface, so in order to grip the archways firmly. So the plier design will be differing in case of tip region of the instrument. And here is the third picture, and look at the tips of the instrument. So you can identify the instrument easily if you are aware of the design. And the answer is debonding plier. If you are looking at this design, the tip of the plier, so the edges are sharp, the tips are sharp. So in order to engage into the bracket surface, the bracket as well as the tooth interface, so in order to remove the brackets. And here is the fourth picture. So what might be this? Here is a clinical picture with some attachments have been bonded on palatal surface. So identify that. So and the answer is bite turbos. So what are these bite turbos? So these are some accessory materials that are bonded onto the palatal surface of the maxillary central incisors. So these are incorporated to raise the bite in order to turret the deep bite. So if you're keeping this in the anterior region, there will be posterior disocclusion where the posteriors will be adapting into that space. So these are just like an anterior bite fluid that will be given as a removable appliance to correct deep bite. The fifth and the final question is here. So identify this picture, like what it is used for. This is a plier, and identify the tip here. And the answer is V-bend forming plier. So the name itself suggests that. So V-bend. So in order to incorporate the V-bend onto the archways, so this plier is used for that. Hope you people like this today's vlog on image-based questions and all. So if you have any suggestions or comments, just comment in the comment box. And don't forget to like, share, comment and also subscribe to Dr. Dentrix. Stay tuned to Dr. Dentrix.